What's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. I'm going to go ahead and be installing the Crooks Motorsport overlays for the reflectors. These are 20%. They also have them in the light gray, which I believe is 50%. So for this installation, you're also going to need this tool. It makes life easier just so that you can tuck in the excess parts, which you'll see later on. Same concept as the front fog lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Basically, you pick a corner, clean the area first really good, make sure it's dry to the touch as well after you're done cleaning it, and then pick a corner which is most comfortable to you. I believe the left side is much better to manipulate, and then same concept, you're gonna work, center it, have the excess for the top and bottom, leave it alone, and work on the center area. Once that's positioned, we're gonna go ahead and start tucking in the rest. So let's go ahead and get. Alright guys, so that's how it's basically gonna look once you position everything you do in the center. I had already started tucking. I still have this much left, but basically I actually think that it's best you start with this corner instead of the left one, just because it's much easier to get to. You just want to get it right to the exact edge so that it fits across the board. If not, you're gonna have problems aligning it. And then basically all you're gonna do is do the same thing. You're gonna tuck in. You can also push this lens just a little bit, so that you can, kind of tuck the excess and basically finish it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you the final product. Alright guys, so what I had to do here is basically I needed to use another tool to tuck this in, because this part right here is really tight. So what you want to do is try to either get another plastic credit card or a squeegee or anything that's kind of plastic so you don't mess up your vehicle, is so that you can tuck this in and give you enough room to start tucking with the other tool as well. So once that's done, you basically have a nice, film or whatnot. So I already finished this one up. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side and show you how everything looks. Alright guys, there you have it. Those are the reflectors already done. I have to tell you, for some reason the right hand side did not have the same struggle that I had on the left hand side. I don't know if the lens or the way everything is screwed on from the back end is different on each side, but this overlay on the left was a little bit harder to tuck in. It was much tighter to the bumper, but the one here on the right, it just went in easily, tucked in real fast. And but that's it. Same concept though. You still want to align one of the corners perfectly, and then work the center area, and then tuck everything in as you saw on the previous clip. So this is how that looks, guys. Basically complements the turn signals or reverse lights from the back end, and I think it looks real nice. And guys, for those that are worried, check your local laws. This may or may not be illegal. Yes, this is covering the reflectors. There's a purpose for that. But for me, I have the diffuser that came with the reflector, and that doesn't really bother me, so that fixes my issue. So make sure, guys, go ahead and check that before you do it. Don't want you guys getting pulled over or whatnot. But this is how it looks. Let me know what you guys think. Again, guys, these are also part of the giveaway. You still have time to go ahead and check that out. So go to my page, look for the giveaway video for more details, and check that out. So once again, guys, go ahead and subscribe to Crooks Motorsports, all medias, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook if you can, please. This help us promote more product, bring out more products, and give you guys even more discounts as you have seen so far. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boosted Whips, I'm out.